Well, we are finally doing our final and fourth chapter on Gina's rebuild. And I'm happy to tell you that there is the proverbial happy ending to this story. Stay tuned and we'll give you the final update. Well, welcome back, everybody, for
Welcome
the
back,
fourth and
guys.
final episode
Yeah.
of Gina's house
Hello
build.
po.
Hello, Gina.
Yeah.
So, Gina, take us back. This was July 28th that I
Yes.
first came out here and saw what happened to your house.
In July 28th, month of July 28th, my house was affected by a typhoon. I forget the name of that typhoon. And as you can see in video in the post with Paul in this channel. And yeah, here, this side was very bad. It's leaking because before the house is made of bamboo. And then when the rain's coming, and then the rains comes here, this side, and then we go inside my house, and everything inside the house is getting wet. And the roof is flipping, twisting because of the typhoon.
It's a sheet metal roof.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
And yeah, my house is it's look like a kubo in Tagalog. Very small house. It's native house made of bamboo.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. And so what happened was our friend Jan reached
Mommy
out to
Jen.
me and said, why don't we come out here and take a look at what happened and videotape it. But there's some other people that deserve some shout outs here.
Yes.
Who else would you like to say thank you
First,
to?
I would like to thank you, Paul, for doing this to me. You helped me a lot.
No problem.
Especially John Perry, the one who started this. To make a lot of people want to donate me about my struggles in life and my house need to rebuild. And thank you for everything, Mommy Jan, and especially Martin Jan. He helped me to buy a new roof this year, and I'm very thankful of that because Martin is the one first person who helped me to fix my house. And
he's your neighbor.
Yeah, here in Inapolong.
Right.
And Paul number 2, thank you so much. Yeah, I really appreciate that you came here and I met you. And you are kind person and you tell me everything how to do it so that I manage the financial to rebuild the house, and I'm very thankful that because I learned from that Paul. And also to the subscribers here in Paul's YouTube channel, I'm very thankful of that and I'm very grateful, especially my family. We're both happy because as you can see, my house is already finished and already rebuilt. And we're
going to take a tour in just a second.
Yeah, we do a tour for that so you can see you guys. And the people who donate a lot, and I'm very grateful and blessed of that. Thank you so much. I'm very happy, Paul. I'm very happy. And especially your wife, I forgot, Ate May. Yeah, thank you so much, Ate May. Your support. Thank you so much. So
and
that's
how
it.
much did the subscribers actually help you with? How much? What was the total?
The total cost of rebuilding my house is 180,000, including the payroll, the food, and the materials.
Excellent. So that's $3,200.
Yeah.
That people that didn't know you, total strangers.
Yeah, I didn't expect that I did that.
I didn't expect it either.
I have full receipt on my pouch, like too many receipt. I keep it that so that I can
It was great because I started an envelope for you, and then every day that went by, it was like, well, we got some more love from the subscribers, so we'll put this money in the envelope for you.
Yeah.
And the good news is, the last envelope that I gave you had 17,000 pesos in it because you were putting the final touches on.
Yes.
And you've actually got 5,000 left over.
Yes.
So party on.
Yes, I will use that to buy cement because I need to put concrete in here, this area. But but already finished. Just not important na.
Well, let's do this. Let's go ahead and do a tour of the inside. And I'll have to put a link to the original video to this.
Yeah, you should do
so
that.
People can go back and see what it looked like in the beginning if they're so interested or so inclined. but it was really a mess.
Yeah.
So,
I think
this,
John Perry saw that before. My house is not like this. It's very bad.
yeah. All right, well, let's take a little tour.
Yeah.
We got windows, and if you notice, there's paint. Oh, there's baby May. There's
Yeah.
paint on the house.
I
That
like
was
color.
that was like an extra bonus, right? There was
Yeah.
some money left
I
over.
choose
So
sun beige color because I live in the full of green nature. So I want my house is something colorful.
good for you.
Because look at around, it's all green here.
Yeah, yeah.
So
And you know what? This is finished.
yeah, the porch.
This was all crumbled up. So your little patio, your little porch, is all squared away now.
Yeah.
Let's take a look inside, kiddo.
Okay.
Take
So
it for the tour.
the door, I have
We
a
got
new
doors.
door.
We didn't have doors before, and these are orange.
Orange.
So these are very cheerful.
So the kitchen, I'm sorry,
Let's
it's
take a
so
look.
messy here because
That's
my dad.
okay. You guys are
clean it.
still working on it. So this is your kitchen.
The kitchen.
And all this is new.
Yeah.
Man, this is nice.
And then the sink full of
Full of dishes. That's okay.
dishes and the window.
Don't close that. I can't see anything. All right, but yeah, we need it open for the light.
The exit door.
And you got a new door, and it's painted up.
Yeah.
And ceiling is all new. Woo-wee. And what's over here in this corner? It's kind of dark.
This corner is my dad's room.
Your dad's room.
Yeah, it's so dark here.
It's very dark, but we can get an idea.
Yeah. They
So
sleep
he didn't
in here.
have a room before. I mean, it was all history, right?
Yeah. They sleep in here. This is very bad before. Very bad.
What was it?
The floor is broken and the wall is not good. Really not good before.
All right. Well, I'm going to swing over this way. Let's take a look at your room.
My room is here. Yeah, but actually I give this to my little sister Aliyah.
Oh, you gave it to your sister?
Yeah, because I'm not stay here for because I'm studying.
Right. That's interesting because you have not been here.
Yeah.
Except on the weekends.
I going back home like every week in like Saturday and Sunday. So it's my time to spend my family.
Right. You're going to school.
This is my sister room already.
And Jan is contributed to your schooling and your room and board, I believe, for your schooling.
She helped me a lot.
A lot.
I don't know how can I repay back. Maybe soon.
I'll tell you how you can repay her back is by doing good in school.
Yeah.
That's what she's doing it for your future.
Yeah.
So Jan Perry is one of the expats that I've become friends with, her and her husband. Very nice people, very generous, very kind heart. And she suggested that I come up here and show your situation to the world. And maybe you could buy a new mattress with that $5K. I don't know.
I'm sorry, it's so dirty. Oh my god. And
hey, just off the top of my head.
And this is Eli's room.
This is Eli's room.
Oh, he put his name. Eli.
Yeah. All right. Well, he marked his territory.
Yeah,
that's his
Eli.
brother, right?
And this one is door for CR.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Okay.
The new one. I buy that.
So we're not finished, but it's close enough for government work.
But everything is finished. Just only this one and that.
Yeah. So these are the little loving finishing touches we have to put on. Yeah. And then over here, you've got a brand new CR.
Yeah, here.
Brand new.
I'm
new
telling
septic tank, everything, right?
Yeah. I made the septic tank. I put it there. So as you can see in the first video, the septic tank is there. Under that kitchen. So this is the CR.
So welcome to Province Life, guys.
So
this is how it works.
Beverly is donated tiles for my CR. So this is the tiles.
So it just needs a little cleaning to spiff it up. But that's new tile too.
Yeah.
Never had that before.
So, I forgot. Thank you so much, Mommy Beverly, for the tiles. And
cool.
Tony.
Beverly and Tony?
Yeah.
They get a shout out.
And my neighbors at the back of my house. They are there. And they also helped me to have a light, like solar light.
Yeah. They hooked up their solar to your house.
Yeah. Tony and Beverly, they give me something like this wire so that I can charge my phone only for charging.
Right.
Yeah.
And what about this light over here? Does it
Oh,
work
this
that?
one is solar.
Oh, it's solar. So
Yes,
it kicks on at night.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Automatically light when it's evening. But in the morning, it's not day charging.
So I'm just going to take a little spin here of my own, kind of try to give everybody as much of a 360 as I can. It's kind of small and it's kind of, but if you saw the first video, this is a brand new place.
Yes.
New roof, concrete instead of bamboo. So this will hold up to the next typhoon or big rain or anything else.
It's just half concrete and hardy flex in the upper wall.
And speaking of rain, that's why one reason why it took over 3 months to do this, because you kept getting rained out. Workers couldn't work.
Sometimes the weather is good and bad, so the worker will stop working when there's a heavy rain.
Let's take a quick look outside. We won't go too far around. We'll just kind of get an idea.
So yeah, we are here in the back of my house. This is the in front. This view. And yeah, here.
Yeah, man. This is a totally different deal.
Actually, we put the stairs here made of wood.
You're going to do
Or
stairs?
I use this blocks to make stairs for the exit door.
Well, it's always good to have a little extra.
Yeah. It's look different than before.
Totally different. Let's go around here.
Remember that there's a lot of broken roof falling down.
Oh, everything
here
broke up there.
This roof.
Yeah, there's the old roof, huh? Boy, nobody throws anything away. Can always be repurposed.
And here's at the back. Here. Yeah, no more twisting roof anymore.
Wonderful.
When the typhoon is coming.
All right, you got any final words for us here, kid?
Okay, go.
Any last words or remarks for the folks that are watching this right now?
Oh yes, actually I'm very thankful and grateful, and I would like to say thank you so much everyone who you helped me a lot, donated your money to rebuild my home, and my family and I'm very happy for that. As you can see, my house is already rebuilt and finished, and yeah, we're blessed and thankful.
Well, I got to tell you, this is probably the best video I've ever made. This got the proverbial happy ending.
Yes, happy ending.
See you later,
Bye,
Gina.
guys.
Congratulations on your house.
Yeah, thank you so much.
You're welcome.